So after a long period of time, this is the unboxing video for you guys. Let's begin it. This is the Godox v860 flash. This is a quick guide manual. So guys, here is the flash. Quick guide manual, and this is the battery for it, battery charger, and its wire. That's all. An empty box. So guys, this is the v860 flash. So guys, next is the wireless Godox X1 trigger for the flashlight. Let's unbox it. Guys, here are some paperwork. Guys, here is the trigger. So guys, at last, this is the flash boot from Digitech. So guys, this is the flash boot. And this is the glasses for it. Okay. Yeah. So guys, that's it for today. Wait for the next video.